Hey guys, what's going on? Lucky here. So today we are working on the 61. We're gonna get this bed off, see what's going on underneath this science project. Someone put some plywood in here back in the day. Looks like they used some sort of undercoating or something to seal it, but all it did was seal the moisture underneath it because it is growing. It is definitely a science project. So we're gonna come up with a creative way to take this out, and then we'll put the thing up on the lift and see what's involved in removing it from the truck. So let's get this party started right now. Yeah, this shouldn't be too difficult. Looks like it's just barely on here. They just laid that wood. They did a nice cutting job. Looks like they did it in a few different pieces, maybe 3. And we'll take it out in just as many. I got a trick I think I want to use here. Okay, not as bad as I thought. Definitely got used. And I guess back in the day, this was the easier way to do it. But yeah, at least I can get to the bolts and disassemble the bed now and remove it from the frame, which I'm gonna probably end up cutting all those anyway. So basically that was just fun. Yeah, let's get the rest of this thing off and get this bed off. Okay, got some more metal or some more wood out of here, plywood. A few layers, good job. And one of my concerns was the fact that the wood had been in there for so long. If they didn't seal the edges, it would have just, the whole bottom of the bed rails or bed sides would have rusted out. But they did some serious weatherproofing under there. Somebody put a lot of time into cutting these pieces and siliconing them in. And that's what saved the wheel wells and the bed sides. So the wood's gonna rot, but they sealed the wood, or sealed the metal, so that's a good thing. We'll be able to clean that up, no problem. Put a replacement wood bed in here. They make all this stuff repop, stainless strips and hardware and everything. So that's cool. And then I was gonna see the condition of the bed, or the frame. And yeah, this is actually, this is a good hookup. Oh, there's the original color too. Looks like it was maybe two-tone. I see some green up here. And some white down there. We'll do some scraping through that and we'll see what the originals were. Oh, I see beige up here. But underneath the beige, there's green. So yeah, this thing was originally that forest green, I think. Which is pretty cool. Yeah, this thing's gonna clean up good. Now this stuff was built a long time ago. Mufflers have been replaced, but whoever did everything did, a decent job. So yeah, this is back in the day when you got quality. This thing is all original. All the bushings to be replaced, control arms, we'll send all that out for powder coating. We're gonna pull the cab off next. And send the frame out for sandblasting. Oh, by the way, there's 3 bolts holding the bed on. So there was one up at the forward cab passenger side front of the bed. And then there was one on each side here. And I just cut them off. There's no sense of trying to save them or fight them for an hour. You can see back here, there's this kind of secure, but right here, well, actually there was one bolt there that got cut out. And these were just bouncing around. And there was one bolt on that side that was still there. These, no bolts, they weren't even in there. They had bailed out a long time ago. Either way, bed's off. Step 1. Yeah, I think I'll stand this bed up on some dollies on this side and just push it over in a corner. We'll get to that eventually. Looking forward to getting some progress on this cab. Okay, step 1, that's day 1 right there. I'm going to call it. I'm a little under the weather. Just wanted to get some progress going on here. And then get back on this in a couple days. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.